Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got these super cute mermaid braids in about 30 minutes. Now it looks like I sat in a shop for hours for these braids, but this is crochet, baby. Crochet mermaid braids. This is the deep wave texture. It's absolutely beautiful. So this is the deep wave curly crochet mermaid box braids from Amazon. I'll link the store name up above and in the description box. I will put the link to this hair. It's absolutely beautiful. This deep wave curl pattern, absolutely loving it. And it has the braids at the top and then just the loose hair for the rest. It's absolutely beautiful. This is 24 inches. So it comes down about waist length on me. I am about 5'7" for reference. This hair is absolutely beautiful. Let me give you a quick 360 and we'll get right into this tutorial. I absolutely love how full the hair is. It was so easy to install. Now I did install some similar hair to this. It was only 18 inches, a lot shorter, and it had twists at the roots instead of the braids. But I do love the braids because it's given mermaid braids, boho braids, like you sat in a shop for hours, but really you crocheted it in about 30 minutes. So this hair comes in a variety of colors. It does come in 24 inches. That is the only length that it comes in currently. The colors that they offer are 2, 4, 1B, 1B27, 1B30, 1B350, 1B burgundy, and also T27613 for the blonde girlies. This hair does cost anywhere between $26.99 to $28.99 depending on the color that you choose. So 24-inch mermaid braids for less than $30. So it does come with 7 packages in the bundle, and I did use all 7 packages for this look. Again, it's very full. 24 inches are inching. Absolutely love this hair. actually not a middle part girly, but it's something about this hair that's given middle part. But you can also flip these braids over and do a quick side part. You can also do half up, half down with this hair. It's very versatile. I literally just installed these, and you can go ahead and manipulate them right away. So we can do half up, half down. We could do a claw clip. So many styles that can be done with this hair. It's very versatile, very lightweight too. Absolutely love this hair. So for maintenance, all I'm going to do is split this hair into 4 sections, and then I'm just going to do a twist each of the 4 sections up, put my bonnet on, and in the morning I'll just fluff it out a bit, do my edges, and that's pretty much it. The maintenance on this hair is pretty simple. You can add a little mousse if you like, but the maintenance is very simple. This is great summer hair, great vacation hair, just a cute style to do. I absolutely love it. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. Again, I will leave the link to this hair in the description box, so make sure that you check it out. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and as always, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.